Hey, hi everybody on the channel. I'm sorry that I did that. My other video didn't work because I accidentally hit the quit button. But yeah, this is my train track. I put it together like Monday or Tuesday. I put it together and it's good. I like it. It's pretty fun. Here's a train, and then here's the cart. This thing's full of like exhaust tips and stuff for my exhaust thing. He's gonna go drop them off now somewhere, but there's a caboose, I think. I think that's a caboose. Or it's supposed to be. I don't know. And then we got a yield sign. And then we got like a gate sign to say stop. It's like a gate that blocks off. We got a stop sign that I put over here, and then we got do not enter sign that I put over here because or wait, maybe I should put it just right here, right there, because it's you get the gist of it. And then we got another stop sign over here. Got another stop sign. Yeah. Pretty cool. See how this gets into the video. Oh yeah, this is a factory where you can, so you get this, you put like the stuff you want to load into this cart right here, to this cart right here, to this cart, and then you just, Mom, the timer's going off. Mom! The timer's going off.
That's how tired I am, Josh. How many times did you stay on?
5 or 4, I don't know. Or 4. And then it goes.
Being I'm not tired, can I go 15
and then it goes
more?
down to that circle. Yeah.
That's just to heat the oven. My 15
Yeah, it just goes down that. Goes like this.
When my clock, my phone goes off, okay?
Down into the cart. This one right here, you just turn this little knob over here. Smoke goes up, and then you can see Dandy Yonder there, and there. You load that little yellow thing. You put your stuff in there. Put your stuff in there, and then you put your stuff in there, and then it should. And then you just turn this thing to keep loading the thing, and then the smoke goes up and down. But yeah, it's cold. I want to come through here. Oh shoot. I can go through here. Yeah, and it keeps going. Then he'll stop. He will stop right there to load. Oh, so yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.